Find all the values x on the interval, on the closed interval 0 to 2 pi, satisfying the equation cosine of 2x minus sine of x equal to 0. Here we have 2x and x, so I will bring that to the angle x. Use a double angle formula. Cosine of 2x, so I remember it as cosine square minus sine square. Cosine square is 1 minus sine square, and the other one I keep the same, sine square of x. So this is 1 minus 2 times sine square of x. You can just memorize one formula. Either one, we can derive the other one. This equation is equivalent to 1 minus 2 sine square of x minus sine of x equal to 0. Now we want to factor that. I prefer to have this coefficient positive, so let me bring it to the right. 2 times sine square, 1 times sine minus 1. Here we have 2, 1 minus 1. So we can factor that from, we know for sure that we can factor the sine of x must be minus 1. That's one case. So here's one way you can remember. Ax cos ax square bx c 0. A minus b plus c is 0. Then minus 1 is a root. So this means that the other one, say x1 equal to minus 1. x1 times x2, c over a. In our case, c is minus 1 and a equal to 2. C minus 1 divided by 2. The product is minus 1/2. x2 must be minus 1/2 minus 1. x2 is 1/2. So I have this one is the first one, this one is the other one. And therefore x here is our sine of x. So you know that you would have minus 1 and 1/2 sine of x is minus 1, or sine of x is 1/2. If you don't know the trick, you can just solve it. Compute delta 1 square minus 4 times 2 times minus 1. Other methods. Just compute delta 1 square, one coefficient of this. 1 square minus 4 times 2 times minus 1, so 9. 2 root sine of x minus b minus 1 plus minus square root of 9 divided by 2a, so 2 times 2. Minus 1 plus minus 3 divided by 4. Minus 1 plus 3, so plus 2 over 4, which is 1/2, and minus 4 over 4, which is minus 1. So you do either way, you will have minus 1 and 1/2. Now with this, we find x between 0 to 2 pi. Zero here. Go on full circle to 2 pi. Sine x equal to minus 1. We are here. 0 to pi, so this is 3 pi divided by 2. Sine 1 over 2, 1 over 2 is here. You have 2 of them. Pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. How do we know this is 5 pi over 6 then? This angle equal to this angle. So we have this angle here, pi minus, which is pi minus pi over 6. So that's why. And the answer is x must be 3 pi over 2 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. This is our final answer.